everyone, welcome back to my beginner lash extension technique series. We're gonna talk about the Borby Bubble technique today. If you're a lazy lash artist like me, you're gonna love this one. It's perfect for getting big fans, and you guys, some people even say that it feels like cheating because it's so easy. The products that you're going to need today is a tray of volume lashes, your boot tweezers, and then of course a Borby Bubble. All the products are linked below. Let's go ahead and get started. With tweezers halfway down the lashes, pull off the strip partially. Then move your tweezers closer to the bases before you lift from the strip. This will keep those precious little bases together. Next, using firm pressure to push lashes into the edge of the bubble. They should be 90 degrees. Now watch them open up. Don't stress if that needs a little style. Next, you're going to position your tweezers at a 45-degree angle and pull straight up. You'll need a pretty good grip here because the bubble is sticky. Now that we've learned how to fan with the bubble, you can be a lazy lasher just like me. If you want to know more about this technique and the other ones that we teach, you can click the link below to our online campus. That's where we have one-on-one mentoring. We go deep dive into all these techniques. Follow us on Borboleta Instagram, borboleta.artist, for tips, tricks, inspo, and blueprints. And then you guys make sure to like and subscribe and let me know in the comments what you want to see more of. See you next time.